Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Maithili Gauri Shankar, going to teach you frequency distribution for the course FI BCBA, FI BMS, FICS. What is data presentation? We are going to see whatever data we have collected, converting to the tabular form. That is called frequency distribution. What is frequency? The number of times a value occurs in a series is called frequency of that value. And the arrangement obtained by mentioning the frequency against each value in the series is called frequency distribution. The series are 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 1, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7. Here 3 is repeated 2 times, 4 3 times, 1 is 1 time, 5 is 1 time, 7 is 4 times. So the number 2, 3, 1, 1, 4 is the frequency. There are two types of frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution, grouped frequency distribution. The formation of discrete frequency distribution is quite simple. The number of times a particular value is repeated is noted down and mentioned against that the value instead of writing that value repeatedly. That is the value 366, 3681. The frequency is written as 1233. Grouped frequency distribution means in this type of distribution the various items of a series are classified into groups or classes and the number of items lying in each group or classes is put against that group or classes. Class width equal to class interval equal to 10 minus 0, that is 10. Here the mark is given as 0 to 10, number of students 15, 10 to 20 17, 20 to 30 22, 30 to 40 30, 40 to 50 39, 50 to 60 45. So total frequency is 168. Class width is subtracting the 0 to 10, we will get 10 minus 0 10. So class width is common to all the marks. 0 is called the lower limit, 10 is called the upper limit. This is called as class limit. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, it is called as class limit. The difference in the class limit is called class width. Number of students here is frequency. Total frequency here is 168. There are two types of classes, exclusive type and inclusive type. First let me see exclusive type. In this exclusive type, when the class intervals are so fixed that upper limit of one class is the lower limit of the next class. Here you can see that in 0 to 10, 10 to 20, upper limit of 0 to 10 is 10, lower limit of 10 to 20 is 10. So this is exclusive class interval. So what the values consider here? In 0 to 10, 0 and more but less than 10 is considered for the frequency. 10 to 20, 10 and more but less than 20 is considered for this class limits, that is 10 to 19. 20 to 29 is considered for 20 to 39. Similarly for other class limits. Inclusive type means the upper limit of the first interval and lower limit of the second interval is not equal. So we can convert this to the exclusive class interval. How to convert this? First step is subtract the value of lower limit of first interval with upper limit of second interval. We will get the answer of this is 1. That is 10 minus 1, 9. After that, same procedure to every interval, divided by 2 the value what we are getting. So here our answer is 0.5. Add that 0.5 with right hand side of the class limits, that is upper class limit, subtract 0.5 with the lower class limit. So we will get the final exclusive class interval like this: 0.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, etc. This is exclusive class intervals. Class limits and class boundaries. Every class in a frequency distribution has expressed as class limits, and real class limits are also called as class boundaries. Here 0 to 10 is the class limits or class boundaries. In case of exclusive type classification, there is no difference between the class limits. Therefore, the class limit is 0 always in the exclusive type classification. In the case of inclusive type classification, class boundaries are obtained by increasing the upper class limit and decreasing the lower class limit by half of the difference between upper limit of one class and lower limit of the next class. Class boundaries are calculated from the class limit by the following rule. As we seen before, lower class boundary equal to lower class limit minus 1 by 2 into difference. D is the correction factor, common difference between upper class limit of any class interval. So correction factor is 1 by 2 into D. Upper class boundary equal to upper class limit plus correction factor, that is 1 by 2 into D. In exclusive type classification, D is always 0. In inclusive type, there will be some numbers when we are separating the class limits. There are two types of method to calculate the frequency. Mechanical procedure, this is used by machines. This make the work easy, quick and accurate. Tally marks. Tally marks or tally bars. There are some procedure. The number of times a variable is repeated in a distribution is called frequency. We have already seen. Number of values contained in a class is also called frequency. In order to facilitate counting and determine the frequency, we are using the tally mark symbol or tally bar. We take each item from the data one at a time and put the tally mark against the class to which belongs to. For the sake of convenience, we record tally marks in the boundary of 5. So, 4 lines will be straight line, 5th line will be the cross, and again we will start with straight lines. The method of marking and counting is called fair and cross method. Now we can see some problem. Univariate frequency distribution for the problem. Prepare a frequency distribution for the following data giving the height of 30 children. Here in screen we are having height of 30 children. Now making a frequency distribution table, we are first finding the lowest value in this table as 121, highest value is 124. According to that, we are making the class limits as 120 to 125, 125 to 130 till 140 to 144. And seeing the table given in the question, we are making the tally marks. We are getting 120 to 125, 3, 125 to 138. Here using the procedure of exclusive type, 125 should be considered in 125 to 130 and 130 should be considered in 130 to 135 in class limits. So total frequency is 30. Similarly, for bivariate frequency distribution, here it was given height and weight of 24 children. We are going to make a table. The bivariate tally mark table is height in centimeter is 95 to 100. Here also we are identifying the lowest, highest weight and lowest, highest height. According to that, the class limits are distributed like this: 95 to 100, 100 to 105, 105, 110 till 120. Similarly for 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. Now, seeing the given question, we are making the tally marks. Finally, adding the tally mark, we are getting the value 24 for number of persons whose height and weight are given. From here, the marginal distribution we are doing, only considering the frequency of the height and weight, making the table, this will give the marginal distribution. Conditional distribution of number of person when height is 40 to 45 and weight is 105 to 110. Separately, we want to see from the bivariate table. So 40 to 45 is second column 1 dash 5 1 dash 7. Similarly 105 to 110 third row 351 dash 9. We want to write it separately. We are getting the result. This is the conditional distribution. The conditional distribution maybe varies according to the question. We want to note it and we want to form the table. Thank you, students.